is day number, I don't know, like a week and a half of having the boat, couldn't get it running. We finally replaced the ignition coil in it, starter solenoid, and this is the ending result of this shit. Listen to this. That's 2 motivated workers on this non-stop for about the last month. How about that shit? That's an inline 6 with 3 air horn carburetors. Hell, 150 horsepower my ass. 10 years this boat has sat, unused, unran. 10 years. We got her started, and she sounds like she does. Can't wait to get her on the water. Be back with you on some more after I work on her a little bit more.